everyone, I'm Pavithra and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I made a video on my channel. So did you guys miss me? Let me know in the comments below if I should get back to making more videos. So today I'm back on the channel to make an unboxing video of this awesome little product, DJI's OM4 phone gimbal slash stabilizer. I didn't really buy this product. I basically got it as a gift for my birthday from one of my best friends, Diksha. So Diksha, if you're watching this, I love this. So thank you so much. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So let me just open this up. We have the box here. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has the photo of the phone and the gimbal, and on the back side they have given some pictures along with some of the main features that this gimbal provides. It has the magnetic quick mount and gesture control, quick roll, and it's foldable and portable. So excited to see what's in here. Ooh. Here, as soon as we open this, there are some pictures describing how to use the magnetic mount and the gimbal itself. Ooh. Here on top we have create magnetic moments, so let's open this later. Now we have the gimbal itself. So you can fold it to this size, and I think that's how you open it. And we have a tripod here. I think it comes in very handy if you want to place this on the floor. Let me fix this. Or I think I can even use it like this while making videos, or place it on the surface and use this. Next, we have these magnetic mounts. This is a removable magnetic mount for your phone, and I think this is a rice pad for small phones. I think if you're using small little phones like iPhone SE, etc., you have to put this on this and use it. And it comes with USB-C cable for charging. Let's see what this one has. Ooh. They have provided a carrying pouch. I think if you're traveling out and stuff like that, you can just put the gimbal in here and put it in your bag so your gimbal is safe. I like this one. And I think this is a wrist mount for your gimbal, so accidentally you don't just slip it from your hand. So this is for that. And here, alignment guide. So they have given this alignment guide. I think if you take any phone, if you want to mount this permanent magnetic sticker, so I think the other one that I mentioned to you is a removable magnetic mount, and this is like a more of a permanent magnetic mount. So if you want to mount it on your phone, you just have to align using this sticker. So this way you just need it helps you. I mean, this way I think it's just easier for you to mount your magnet on the phone easily. So yeah, this is very handy, I think. And what else does it have? Here, I don't know, it comes with small little stickers which doesn't serve any purpose, I think. Okay, this they've given it to wipe your phone and stick it easily, so that's for that. Here we have a small instruction guide. Ooh. Here we have an instruction guide in all possible languages, I believe, so that's that. And there are some other guidebook which we'll not be using. So yeah, that's all this product comes with. So let me start using this. I'll try to use the removable magnetic mount first. Let me take my phone. Okay, Let me try to put it in. Whoa, it's that easy. I think this handle is much better than those old mechanical handles where you have to pull it in and just put it in. I think it's pretty strong magnet, and this mount you can just have it as it is on your phone, and if you suddenly want to record, just attach it and start recording. The first time when you want to start using it, I think we have to download the Dji Om4 app and connect your phone to the gimbal. So let me do that. Hey, so I took some time and downloaded the DJI Mimo app on my phone and upgraded the firmware and logged in using my credentials. My phone Bluetooth is on, so as soon as I switch on this, it's gonna connect to my phone. So I'm gonna give you a quick demo on how to use it. So this power button that you have, which has M letter written on it, if you press it once, it's gonna show you the battery level, and if you tap and hold it, it's gonna switch on. Yeah, so my phone automatically adjusted vertically, so now if I want to rotate it, just double tap the power button, voila, it became horizontal. And now there are some gesture controls, like if you press this thing thrice, it's gonna move between front camera and back camera. And there's a power button. Above the power button there is a button for camera if you want to start recording or if you want to take picture, and this is a joystick for you to move your camera to whatever angle you want. There's also this little thing that you have for zoom in and zoom out. Yeah, I think, yeah, and also here the USB point for you to charge your gimbal. I think there are a lot of features which I'm yet to explore. Comment below if you want to see like a full review. Now let me switch on my phone. So now you see I'm in the DJI Mimo app and it says device found, connect. Okay, it's already connected. So now there is also this gesture control thing that you have in the app. So if you have it on, what this does is I can just do a hand gesture like peace symbol and it take my pictures. I must say it's pretty intelligent, like it identifies my face really well and it moves pretty well. So if you notice, as I did the peace symbol, it just started recording and it has identified my face, and as I move, it's even the gimbal is moving. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I love this, and I think if you want to stop, you just do that again and it stops. So that's it about this quick unboxing of this DJI Mimo stabilizer and a quick overview. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sure there are a lot of options and features that I'm yet to try. Maybe I can make another detailed video once I started using it outside. So let me know if you wish to see that video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel because it's free. Until the next time, see you. Ciao.